Good morning, Jack.
Good morning.
What would you like for breakfast?
Green eggs and ham.
Coming up.
I'm gonna, when you eat them, my super laser is gonna pick them up and throw them. Yuck. What's this?
Green eggs! You said you wanted green eggs and ham.
That's not a ham. That's strawberry.
I know, but look what else is on the plate. Green eggs and ham.
Is this green egg?
That's ham.
I'll not eat them.
Will you eat them in a boat?
No,
What about on a train?
no.
Hey, you said if I cooked them, you'd try them.
Ask me. Ask me.
Sam, I am. Will you eat green eggs and ham?
Yeah. Mmm.
What about the eggs? You just ate the ham. Come on, eat the green eggs.
Prosciutto.
That's ham. That's ham in our house.
Prosciutto.
What about the green eggs? Take a bite. Come on. You said you'd do it. You said if I made them, you'd eat them.
Yuck. Do they taste like sugar?
Yep.
Do they have sugar in them?
Yep.
Okay. Let me try.
Try them, Sam, I am.
Yuck.
Come on, put it in your mouth and chew it.
Mm-mm.
All right. You are not Sam, I am.